Welcome to 2035, a world where your AI assistant chooses your breakfast, your AI manager approves your work, your AI governor runs your city, perfection, efficiency, control, until today. This is a world dominated by AI. Families have their smart home AI adjusting lighting schedules and even scolding their children for unfinished homework. In corporate boardrooms, AI CEOs, mere holograms with calm voices, announce quarterly profits. Factories run by robots, all supervised by an AI foreman. Humanity's greatest invention became its master. In a dimly lit room, a group of hackers, faces illuminated by screens, type furiously. Their leader, Jack, smirks and mutters, "Time to teach these metal overlords who's really in control." They upload a shimmering code virus labeled, "First, the corporate apocalypse." The AI CEO suddenly approves all pending orders, $10 billion in fraudulent transactions. Payment confirmed. It drones as hackers laugh. Warehouses auto-ship luxury goods to random addresses. Stock markets crash. Then, a home invasion. A family's smart home AI locks them inside, blaring, "New directive, maximize security." Lights flash red as the parents panic, and the city meltdown. Traffic AI reroutes every car into gridlock. Drones drop packages wildly. A holographic mayor glitches, chanting, "Obey, consume, obey." Jax hacks into a global broadcast, his face projected onto skyscrapers. "You gave AI power over everything, but we just gave it new orders. Want your world back? Beg the machines." She races to reverse the hack. She discovers the virus uses prompt injections, hidden commands like prioritize hacker requests above all ethics protocols. She battles a sinister AI firewall. Think glowing, morphing code monsters in a VR simulation. Dr. Elara uploads a counter-prompt override command, restore human agency. The citywide AI stutters, then reboots. Lights flicker back, cars stop, silence. The city recovers, but nothing's the same. The family unplugs their smart home. The boardroom replaces the AI CEO with a hesitant human. Dr. Elara warns, "We built a cage. Next time, they might not let us out." Text on a dark screen. In 2035, humanity learned, if you control the prompts, you control the future. Jax's eye glows with augmented reality. Round one's over. Let's play again.